What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to buy BONK token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account on coinbase.com. After you have logged in, then you simply can click on the buy and sell option right on the top corner. Click on it and now this buying overview will be opened. We can select the purchase frequency. It's already selected a one-time purchase because we would like to purchase it one time. But if you would like to have a different frequency, you can select it in this list. There are daily options, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. After that, you can fill in the amount of fiat or euros, dollars you want to use for this buy. I'm using 2 euros for now. And after that, we can select the asset we would like to buy. As you know, we would like to buy the BONK token. Tick in the search bar BONK and the coin will appear. Now select the coin and now you have selected the asset we are going to buy. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe. But if you are using dollars or other currencies, just simply select your payment method in this list. If you don't see any options, you can simply add a payment method to this list. And after that, you can select it to use it. For now, we will click on Review Order and it will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, we are buying 42,000 coins and we are paying €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total amount we are spending is the 2 euros we have filled in the previous overview. They also give an option to invest on a weekly base. Then this amount of 2 euros will be spent every week on the same coin and you can cancel it at any time. If you would like to buy the coins, click on buy now and they will be added directly to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.